All right, what we have here is the wireless white controller for the Xbox One. I picked this up, gotta be like 2 or 3 years ago, and I've just been amazed at its resiliency. It has lasted through teenagers throwing it and toddlers kicking it and me dropping it. Try not to get too mad at my controllers, but seriously, this thing is great. Pair it up with your Xbox One. I think I changed the battery cover a couple times because I was using rechargeable batteries. I do have a little chip or a ding here and there. It's got a little, okay, but the one that you're going to get from this listing is going to be brand new and should last the test of time. Of course, this is standard technology. You got wonderful buttons. All my button pushes are still excellent. Usually the shoulder controllers, shoulder buttons go out after a little while, but on this one right here, it has lasted excellently. And the other added benefit here is that I pair this to my computer. I actually let my toddler play a racing game on my computer as well, because the Bluetooth for this will pair to both the Xbox One or your PC, which makes it a dual function controller. And right out of the gate, that's, going to save you from buying a PC controller as well. I cannot get over how wonderful this is. If you're looking for a new Xbox controller or PC controller too, either way. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can also maybe pair this to your phone. I believe my son was doing that. And so this is a great option here.